Hi all. Yeah. So we have been getting few requests like people wanted to know like how our setup is working. Okay. And to give some idea about it, so thought of making a video today. Okay. हम लोगों को कुछ रिक्वेस्ट आई हैं, ठीक है ना। लोग चाहते हैं कि कैसे ये सेटअप वर्क करता है और कैसे इस पे काम किया जाए। सो हम लोग सोचे कि आज वीडियो बनाया जाए, ठीक है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट हाउ इट वर्क्स। ओके। सो this is the link which we have been sharing in the morning. Okay, and you people will be aware of its buttons and all. So let me guide you like what you can do in this and how you can make best use of it. Okay. See, by 9:35, 9:40, 9:45 a.m. we have to know like which stocks are good runners and we have to take trades before 10 a.m. Okay. Otherwise, like if we keep on looking for stocks throughout the day, that's not good actually. Okay. By 9:45 or 9:50 we know like Nifty is going to run. Okay. Tata Motors is going to run. Okay. So what you have to do is you once you come on this page, first priority you have to give to futures activity. Okay. So you have to click on this futures activity tab. Okay. So by default what you will get this page, and this by default you will land up in this button. Okay. This button is nothing but like long build up and okay, long build up. See, now what we are doing is we are bringing signals for those 155 FNO stocks only. Okay. By looking at their open interest. Why we want open interest? Okay, this is also a very big question. Okay, if you do not know open interest, you cannot know what's going in the background actually. Okay, just by looking at the price on the screen, price has gone very high. You cannot know like how strong is the signal. Okay, anybody can bring the price up with low open interest or low volume. Even volume is high and price has been brought up, somebody would be bringing that price to dump on you. Okay, or to dump all the things on all the shares on retailers. Okay, so we have to know logically what is actually happening in the background, and here open interest comes plays a very important role. Okay. So first, in this entire setup you have to give more preference to future activity, what is actually going in futures of that particular underlying stock or index. Okay. So once you come in this page is nothing but long build up. Long build up is nothing but like price is increasing and open interest is increasing. Means open interest increasing means people are interested. And interested in what? Increase in price over here. You can see Apollo Tire, its morning price was 190, and morning means these all data will be recorded from around 9:20 or 9:23 a.m. So around 9:20 or 9:23 a.m. Apollo Tire was trading at 190, and while I am looking at the screen the price is 204. So price has increased, OI has increased, means it is in long build up. Okay, smart money or whoever wants to bring this stock higher. Okay, so this is how we have to look at this report. Now, like you would be asking like how to select the good stocks over here. Generally what we have done is like you have to give more importance to open interest. Higher the open interest, it will be at the top, and it will be again in the decreasing order. It keeps on decreasing. So higher the open interest, okay, you try to trade in those stocks. But I'll not say that just looking at the most at the stock which is at the highest, and the quality of stock is not good, please don't trade in that, because yesterday DLF was at top. Okay, I didn't trade in that. I personally don't like DLF. I personally don't like Yes Bank and all. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to see top 10 stocks, and you have to see the quality of stock, and you have to take trade accordingly. Yesterday we had made good money in Tata Steel. Tata Steel was at fourth or fifth position over here. Okay, and OI build up means as per OI build up, it was at fourth or fifth position. We ignored all the DLF and all, and we went in Tata Steel. Okay, we also have to look at the candles and all. Okay, so sometimes like you also check the candles. and combine it with this and then take the appropriate trades. Okay, so this is how you have to look at this future long build up seat. Okay, and take trades. Yesterday we had taken one trade in lal path. Okay, and it was at 16th or 17th position and we had taken btst. One person asked like what, why you had taken it while it was at 16th or 17th position, because you had said that we have to take trades from top. See, you have to take trades from top. I'm not saying that the stocks which are at top are not good. Okay, yesterday while taking btst, it was at day high, okay, around that time, and I had went and checked the candle. It was reversing from bottom, and I had mentioned the same in the channel. Okay, let's see. See, in daily time frame, from bottom it started reversing. Okay, and OI was very good. So risk was not very big. Maximum if it would have fallen, it would be coming near the support. Okay, but reward was good. So I had went long in this in BTST. Okay, looking at OI gave me confidence. There was very good OI build up. Okay, it was at day high. I went with that and see today it went more high. Still I am holding. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, so this is the thing how we have to see Nifty. Coming to Nifty, why Nifty was very bullish today? See, Nifty or Bank Nifty, if it is in long build up night by 9:30 or 9:45 a.m., you can go in long trades in these indices. Okay, otherwise if Nifty is in short build up tab by 9:40 or 9:50 a.m., you can go in short trades. See, day before yesterday there was a very good fall. Okay, in both the indices, and we had made money in that. Why we went short in that? Because both Nifty and Bank Nifty was in this tab. Okay, in short build up tab. Short build up is nothing but price is decreasing and OI is increasing. Okay, OI was very good and price was decreasing, and both the indices had come in this short build up tab. We just saw that and we had sorted it, and we had made good money in that. So sometimes when indices are falling, we are making money. Sometimes when indices are going up, we are making money. But this OI tool is giving us confidence. Okay, when to short or when to go long. Okay, today Nifty was very bullish since morning, and Nifty was in this report since morning. It maintained in this report. It had a very good OI of 7% something. Okay, and it has gone up. Okay, one more thing, like we have mentioned, like prefer buy or prefer sell. Since this long build up tab is for buying, you have to we have even after that we have mentioned that you can prefer a buy. What is this prefer below VWAP, price below VWAP, buy with caution? See, generally when price is above VWAP, bulls are having more advantage, and if price is below VWAP, bears are having more advantage. So TCS, I'm not saying you don't buy. You buy it, but have a little bit caution. Keep on monitoring it, okay, and then see like how it goes. Okay, VWAP price for TCS is 3306, but actual price is below VWAP price, so we have to be little bit careful in this while buying. Or if we are in trade, we have to be a little bit cautious. Okay, so we have mentioned it over here. So this is all about your long build up tab. Okay, higher the OI, take trades in that. Parallelly also check the quality of stocks. Today quality of stocks are very good, which has come at the top. See, Bosch and all, we had taken trade in the morning. Okay, and we have made good money. Why? Because it is coming over here. MRF also we had explained in the channel that it is in long build up. Okay, and it gave good money because MRF also came in this report. Okay, so see, there are 150 stocks. You don't know at any point of time what is going in which stock. By the time any stock will boom, you will be late comer, and you will make a late entry, or you will miss the profit. But if you get such tool, everything will be in front of you. It will be refreshed every 10 minutes, and you will know what's happening. And if any any stock is going to run, our setup will catch it before, okay, so that you can make a good entry in that. How we are making entry in MRF or Boss or Tata Motors, we made a good entry today and made money. Tata Motors was at top in the morning by 9:30 or 9:35 a.m. By that time, huge OI buildups cannot be done by retailers. Retailers will be thinking, oh, Tata Motors from 260 to 268, it's too high, it will fall down. They will have those all questions and all. But we had confidence to buy Tata Motors at 268 also, and we exited at 276. Why? Because OI buildup was very huge, okay, and we knew that it is going to be a very good runner and it is a good stock, okay. So you can make use of it by for selecting your stocks, okay. Very popular is Nifty and Bank Nifty, okay. So if Nifty or Bank Nifty is in this long build up tab, you can go long. If Nifty or Bank Nifty is in this short build up tab, you can go short, okay. This is one of the thing. So okay, let's see the short build up tab once. See again over here, short build up is nothing but price is going down and OI is increasing, okay. So you can see OI of Torrent Power in the morning it was 1358, now during closing it has gone to 1494, around 10% of increase of OI. And price in morning was 341 and price has gone down to 334. Price has been decreased, OI has been increased, someone is interested in selling it. Huge the OI, huge interest is there in selling it. So you can again, someone had said in some channel that power stocks are bearish. Our setup has already caught it, okay. Here we have highlighted if any stock is at day low, it will be in red color. In the long build up, if stock is at day high, it will be in green color, okay. Those are the things. Again, in VWAP, you have to sell the stock if it is below VWAP. Okay. Otherwise, you have to take precaution. See, price above VWAP, sell with caution. Okay. 981 is the VWAP and the price is 982. Okay. So this is the way you can get good stocks for selling or good stocks for buying. Try newcomers, try to trade in top 10 if you do not know the quality of stocks. Otherwise you can take randomly also from here. So this is all about futures long build up and future short build up. Now Nifty has been maintaining in this long build up since morning. Let's go and see. See now, once since I have said like you have to give first priority to futures activity, you have known Nifty is very good, or you have known the stock, you have taken entry. Okay. Okay, regarding stop loss, like it is again, it comes from it is different from individuals to individuals, but you can see last 15 minutes low, you can treat it as your SL, or you can what you can do is like you can keep on monitoring the OI. If there is huge if OI has decreased from 14 to 10%, you can exit, okay. If you are in trade, sometimes what you do is you exit the position, you think that it has gone very high, why to be in this, it will go down. Nothing like that, you have to stay there in the winning trade till end. So if you are in any trade and is same or OI is increasing, you can sit on that trade till end and take out maximum profit from it, okay. So again, OI will help you. If it keeps on increasing, price is also dragging up with increase in OI, just sit in that trade and take out maximum profit. That is all about this futures tab. Now like let's go into options activity tab, okay. Options activity we have given only for Nifty and Bank Nifty as of now, okay. See today, like first priority we have given to futures activity and Nifty is in bullish, okay. So now let's go and see what was happening in options in Nifty, okay. So let's go and see what's happened. What had happened today is 20th of Jan 2021, okay. And Nifty had given a very good rally today. Nifty was there in our long build up report, okay. So fine. Now let's see if, as I said, we have to give more preference to futures activity report, but we have to also take help of option chain also, okay. If option chain is also bullish, futures is also generally option chain will be bullish if futures is bullish. It's not like somebody will be selling in option chain in Nifty and buying in futures. Not like that. Okay. See what happened. Nifty was very bullish in option chain also. From 9:57 a.m. to 10:08 a.m. put writings and all call short covering, strong call short covering has happened. Okay. If you do not know what is meaning of this put right call short covering and all, please go and study about it in internet. These are very basic things. Okay. Put right it is something like, if someone has done 14 put writing at 14,400, means they want Nifty to expire above 14,400 so that they can eat entire premium. Call short covering at 14,500 means people who had done call right at 14,500, now they know that Nifty is going to expire above 14,500. Their view has gone wrong, so they are running away. That is known as call short covering, strong call short covering. They are running away from 14,500 and Nifty is just going up. So you can also take help of this option chain. Okay, these are all every 15 minutes activity, as you can see the time over here. Also some also, like if you want to go more deep, you can just see the COI by volume. Okay, CCOI by volume, PECOI by volume. If put right is happening, you have to see COI by volume at put side. Okay, if call side activity is happening, you have to see call COI by volume at call side. See put right at 9:50 from 9:57 to 10:08 a.m. COI by volume at put side was 22. It is very high. See, generally, if COI by volume for indices, Nifty or Bank Nifty is greater than 4 for narrow range days, okay, you can say like smart money is active over here. But for a very volatile and very big movement days, if COI by volume should be greater than 8 or something like that, okay. So you can know like smart money is doing those all activity over here. So we can say that this put writing at this time at 14,500 was done aggressively because put CUI by volume is very high. Again, call short covering, they are running and someone is attacking from other side. See, someone is attacking and CUI by volume at put side is very high. Okay. So what we can see from here, this is also giving us mental support, like there is a rally and futures activity there also. Nifty is there with good OI build up, that is also giving us mental support that it is going to rally. We have to take help of these all setups to increase our probability, okay, of win. Otherwise blindly if we go with news like Nifty has gone up, it has to fall down just by emotions. Why Nifty will fall down if it has gone up? Is it justified? No, we cannot say anything by our emotions. Otherwise emotions will take all the money from our account. We have to see the data and we have to believe in the data. Okay, if data is not saying, then why should we just say by ourselves that it has gone very high? People have been saying from 10,000 Nifty has come 10,000, it's too high, it will fall 11,000, 12,000, 13,000. Why it will fall? Okay, if it has to fall, it will our setup will catch up. Let our setup catch it. No. Hmm? So over here, like see, our option chain is also bullish in future activity report. Okay, in long build up, Nifty is having entry over there. Okay, Nifty has rallied. Everything is in front of you all. Okay, now we said that Bank Nifty is not in good run today. Why we had said so? I will explain you. Sometimes you people ask us, right, like Bank Nifty was in narrow range, our SL has been hit both sides, so how do we will come to know? See, see, in long build up Bank Nifty is not there. See, it's not there. Okay, in short build up, also Bank Nifty is not there. Okay, so it is not having either a very good bull momentum and it is also not having very good bear momentum. So in this scenario, what you have to do, you have to scalp. Okay, you have to scalp for 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points max. We did that. Even in that we have made 8k today. So no, it's good, right? Okay, in this future tab we have made two more tabs for scalpers. Okay, who wants to scalp for 30, 40, 50 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty? See, in Nifty I'll show you. For each 10 minutes interval, it will show you the activity what is happening. Okay. From 9:37 to 9:48, if long build up is happening and if your chart is saying that you have to go long build up, you can go long build, you can go long in that, and then you can capture 20, 10, 20, 30, 40 points. But if it is in futures report in over here, you don't bother about any short build up or something, write it long. If this is the main, these two are the main reports, the if it comes over here you can write it long. Okay. But if these indices are not in these two, means you do not know whether it is in strong long momentum or strong short momentum, then you make use of these two tabs to capture 20, 30 points. Okay. Now, since we said that Bank Nifty is not in these two reports, means it is not having very strong momentum and it is not having very strong bull or bear momentum. Let's go and see in over here. So over here, what you have to do, if you are a scalper, you have seen from 10:28 to 10:38 what's going on. Okay, some bull has entered, then you can write for 10, 20, 30, 40 points maximum, not more than that, because it is not over there in futures long or short build up. You cannot sit to capture big move. Okay, then you have to take off these tabs to make some few points. Okay. Over here, see, as I said that Nifty was in strong momentum, strong bull momentum, then ignore all these red ones, you just write it. Okay, because it is over there, so let it be. Okay. So I have explained everything about futures activity, how to take trades in stocks. Okay. Pick up good stocks, good quality stocks with good OI percentage. Okay. Price should be above VWAP. Okay. And then you take trades in that, trail your SL. Okay. And then make money from that. Okay. Similarly, if you want to sort, generally when Nifty is strong, you try to find out the bull stocks. Whenever Nifty is in the bear zone, you try to find out the bearish stocks. Okay. There are exceptions when Nifty is bearish, some stocks are very bull, you can find it out from this bull tab. Okay. So over here, like these all stocks, if you go and see today, these had given very good profit if you would have sorted. Okay. If you would have sold them, and then you can see how much was the interest of sellers in that. Okay. So clear, I have covered these futures, and then options also I have covered, like Nifty. I have covered like Nifty in option chain as well in future. Both had given us very strong momentum. Okay, in by 10 a.m. on from 9:30 a.m. onwards. Okay, and to stay in the bull trade. Okay, we were looking at these reports and these were already maintaining the strong momentum, so we didn't exit from this trade and we had traded till last. Okay. So this was about option chain. Now coming to the graph. As of now, we have made graph of Nifty and Bank Nifty only. Okay. Okay. Coming to Bank Nifty, see, this graph is nothing but sum of put OI minus sum of call OI of all strikes at particular time. Okay. If sum of put OI is very high, then graphs will be up. Okay. And if sum of put OI is lesser than sum of call OI, then graph will be down. Okay. OI, we are taking an assumption, and everyone takes this assumption that if there is increase in OI, means writers are active. Okay. So if put OI is going high, means put writing is aggressive. Okay. And in that case, your particular instrument, in this case Nifty or Bank Nifty, will go high. Okay. So in a layman term, if this graph is high, suppose this graph is of Bank Nifty, if this graph is high, Bank Nifty will go high. So from 10 a.m. today is 21st Jan 20 today is 20th Jan 20th January 2021. At 10, from 10 a.m. onwards, you can go and see the charts of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty would have gone up till 12 p.m. Okay. Bank Nifty would have from 10 a.m. till 12 p.m. Bank Nifty would have gone up, graph is up. So whenever graph is up, you just write the long trades, and whenever graph is down, you write the short trades. Okay. So from 12 till to 2 o'clock, Bank Nifty was down, and again there was a little bit of move in Bank Nifty from 2 o'clock. So you can make use of this graph to stay to take trades. This can also help you in catching your what you say, extreme high or extreme low. Suppose at 9:35 or 9:45 a.m. This graph has suited up, and then it started falling. Then from top of that fall, you can just think that it has made a day high and then it will fall. Okay, this has happened many times. We have saved so many screenshots. You can go and check, or in coming days you can just see like how, like, this graph will start falling from the top, and that would be the top made. Okay, similarly you can find the bottom made. Okay, so this graph is very easy for people who don't want to go deep inside option chain. Just look at this. Okay, now you also look at this. If price is above VWAP, it will be in the buy zone, and if it is also this graph is also going up, you can better take a buy trade and make some money. Always use your trailing SLs. Okay, so this is the thing. See, Bank Nifty was in doldrum today. Went up, came down, like that. Okay, let's go and see what graph shows for Nifty. See, for Nifty, graph was inconsistent up, and Nifty was inconsistent up move. Okay, and price was always above VWAP. So but just by looking at this graph, okay, you, if you would have entered, then after 1 hour, some friends will say, oh, it will fall. Some news channels will say it will fall. Then you will get scared and you will exit, and then later at end of the day you will regret. Why did I exit? It gave more profit. So in that case, no need to listen to news channels or someone's emotional views. You just see the data. If this graph is maintaining up, means it is not falling, then why Nifty will fall? You just be in that trade and ride your trade. Okay, write your profits. Writing a profit is also like very important, because the day when you make losses, this will compensate with that, right? So see how graph has helped us. Okay, graph has been maintaining up in Nifty, and then everything was over here, and then like Nifty kept on moving up today. So this is all about the graph. Okay, I'm repeating again everything. First of all, whenever you open this link, you just go to this future tabs. Okay, and let me tell you one very important thing. If you are a new trader, okay, and if you don't have very much experience, even though this setup is working very well, please don't trade in options or futures for first 1 or 2 months. Okay, make some consistent profit in cash segment with small quantity. 2000, 1000 per day, 5000 per week is not bad. Okay, don't come in sudden greed that you have got some holy grail. There is no holy grail. Trade management is very important. Okay, try with cash segment. Okay, otherwise you people, if someone is not good at trade management, and if something happens, they will keep on blaming all the setups. Okay, and they'll jump from here to there. Okay, please start with cash segment. Okay, people who are good at cash segment, they know. Okay, and they have done some trades in options or futures, then you can go ahead. What we do, we just take a good quantity of lots in Nifty and Bank Nifty, just following these two tabs. If Nifty is in this tab, we just go and buy lots of Nifty. If Nifty in the is in the short build up tab, we just go and sell it. Okay, first priority we are giving to the futures activity tab. And then if you are going to take trades in any stocks, as I said, you have to find out the stocks before 10 a.m or 10:15 a.m. By 11 or 11:30 a.m you have to make profit of first half of the day. Then again you have to take if you have good profit, don't take trade. If you are willing to take trade, then take next trade after 1:30 or 1:15. In middle, if you are struggling in finding the good stocks, that's not going to make money. Okay, go and see, very rare moments are there in the mid of the day. So you have to find the stocks before 10 a.m. Okay, how we will find? We can find by this OI buildups and all. Okay, so this was all about bank nifty. Why it was in narrow range? Because it was not in these two tabs. Nifty was very bullish because it was in long build up tab with very good OI. Okay, above VWAP, as well as option chain data was supporting it. Okay, and these two tabs you have to use as a scalper. Okay, these all tabs you can also take trades for buy today sell tomorrow BTST trades, as well as swing trades. If you are good at, if you are if you have found out some good stocks, and if you want to have a second view also, you can come and check over here how are the OI buildups, and then you can take swing trades on that. Okay, so this was all about option chain tabs, and graph tabs also we have explained. Okay, so this was all about, and then like we will share all these links for learners in our channel. We will be very glad, like people are learning, and we are getting so many queries, and we are answering to them. We are explaining them how it works, and like based on so many queries we are making this video. Okay, so try to make best use of this setup. We'll be sharing this link for learners, and for traders who are very good at trading, and then who wants to make use of our setup. Okay, we'll be sharing this link in our paid group. We have opened our subscription now. Okay, we have shared the details in the channel also. Okay, for paid subscribers, we'll be sharing this link from 9:15 a.m. until 3:30 p.m. Okay, you can make of this setup to increase the probability of your win in the market. Okay, you can know what's going in the background. Okay, what big smart peoples are doing. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so make use of this setup, and then we'll be glad that you means all of we are earning. Okay, and growing. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if I have left anything, or if I'm not if I haven't explained anything, or if you are not getting anything, please send us a message. Okay, at Trade Realm Support, we will answer to your queries. Okay, thanks, bye bye.